Making the transition to adulthood is challenging for all young people, but it can be especially daunting for those with lifelong disabilities. S.P.A.R.C, the Specially Adapted Resource Club, addresses a concern by giving young adults with disabilities an opportunity to build the skills and self-confidence they need to be active and happy members of the community.
It's hard to imagine life simply stopping after high school graduation. But for a lot of young adults with lifelong physical disabilities, that's exactly what happens. But every spark has the potential to ignite a fire with a little kindling and nourishment. Members of the Specially Adapted Resource Club, also known as S.P.A.R.C, are embers of a different kind. Partnered with the Fairfax County Department of Community and Recreation Services, S.P.A.R.C supports young adults with disabilities as they continue to build life skills. It is a club where members have responsibilities and activities that support active lifelong learning, and it also provides ways for them to connect with their community and friends.
Well, before S.P.A.R.C, I had nothing to do, literally. But ever since S.P.A.R.C has been around, it's benefited me in a whole new way.
I didn't really used to do anything, like life was kind of boring and I didn't really have anything to do, but then when I started coming to S.P.A.R.C, I really liked it and I had a lot of things to do.
S.P.A.R.C is a newly formed nonprofit organization supporting young adults with lifelong disabilities after high school graduation. The S.P.A.R.C program really illuminates for us all the need for vital opportunities after high school for our young adults with disabilities in our community, no matter what the disability is. We have friends with lifelong disabilities that graduate from high school and need a place to feel that they belong, that they're a part of, and a place that they're part of the team.
We all have our own strengths and our own weaknesses, so I think the best part about this program is that we can all help out each other in our own way.
S.P.A.R.C members meet at the Southgate Community Center in Reston. The club is organized for participants to choose daily activities filled with their personal interests. They can choose to follow a circuit of accessible stations, perform daily jobs in the club, or participate in daily guided group activities.
We need to practice our skills, and if we don't have an accessible place, oftentimes these hard-earned skills, they regress or go away. So it's very vital that S.P.A.R.C is there for these young adults.
Circuit train your brain. At club meetings, participants circuit train their brains as they move around the community center from activity to activity. Each station is designed with activities to support participants' individual goals of communication, literacy, life skills development, sensory integration, vocational skills development, and active learning leisure interests. Whether it's refining an inner artist, performing research in the computer lab, heating up the kitchen, or navigating through an elaborate obstacle course, each activity brings about new stimulating experiences.
I like all the cooking projects we do, and I like music therapy because we get to sing and do all these neat things, and I like going to the mall.
S.P.A.R.C is uniquely designed to address and support the accessibility challenges that face these young adults. Though each participant is different, with some ingenuity, S.P.A.R.C is able to adapt all of its activities so everyone, regardless of ability level, can participate.
Some of the things that you'll see at S.P.A.R.C are the accessible, the adapted activities that we do. Cooking is a very vital part of life skill development. It's an opportunity for us to continue math skills with fractions and those kinds of things. So it's a great activity. Art therapy is just an enriching way that a lot of our young adults don't have access to the arts, music, or art therapy. So that's a wonderful component of our program. And then some of the equipment and the technology that you'll see, photography, for instance, with an adapted camera, or some of the support that we have in the computer lab. We want to be the best. We want to be the best at providing adapted, accessible activities, meeting the goals of the individuals that participate in our program, and providing a gathering place and opportunities to connect with the community at large so that our young adults feel that they're full citizens and part of the community every day. We have artists, athletes, advocates, bakers, cooks, editors, designers, musicians, photographers, journalists. They are all worth the continued investment. They are the greatest group of people that you will ever want to spend your time with, and they have so much to contribute to our community.
S.P.A.R.C has really opened up a whole new world for me, and I'm really thankful that S.P.A.R.C exists, and I hope for many, many more S.P.A.R.C years.
A life of self-direction and continued learning is what S.P.A.R.C is all about. Specially adapted resource clubs make lifelong learning and lifelong friendships a reality for individuals with physical and developmental disabilities. S.P.A.R.C stimulates learning, gives hope, and changes lives. If you would like to contribute or be a part of a program that creates opportunities for vital young adults with disabilities, please call 703-338-6185 or visit their website at www.sparkontheweb.org. You can also visit the Fairfax County Department of Community and Recreation Services website at www.fairfaxcounty.gov/rec for more information.